Hello students, today we will learn about friction. You know, early man discovered fire accidentally when they rubbed the two flint stones with each other, and while doing so sparks were ignited. This is because the friction between the two surfaces of the stones created sparks. Thus, friction means to rub, which comes from the Latin word. Now, if we take an example, अगर आप एक बॉल को पुश करें तो आप देखेंगे वो बॉल कुछ टाइम मूव करने के बाद अपने आप रुक जाती है। ऐसे कैसे होता है? तो इसका सिंपल सा आंसर है फ्रिक्शन। सो फ्रिक्शन इज द फोर्स विच अपोजेस द मोशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट। इट ऑलवेज acts in the opposite direction to the direction of motion. Friction occurs when two surfaces are in contact when they move past each other. Every surface has coefficient of friction. Larger the coefficient and higher the friction. Smaller the coefficient, thus lower the friction. Now we will learn about the factors which affect the friction. First, friction depends upon the nature of the surface that are in contact. It may be smooth or it may be rough, that is irregular. For example, if you try to push or pull the boat on the land, it needs more force because here the friction provided by the rough surface of land is higher. On the other hand, if you try to push the boat on the water surface, then you apply less force because here the friction provided by the water is less. So when the surface is smooth, friction reduces. When the surface is rough, friction increases. Second, friction depends upon the force that is acting on these surfaces. Thank you.